How to use Team Capabilities in CoreXBiz. From the Employee Portal, open Team Capabilities. Team Capabilities settings controls what each role can do across CoreXBiz. Roles on the left, capability modules in the middle, and detailed permissions on the right. Start by choosing a role. We will open a staff role so you can see how permissions are tailored for day-to-day work. Stay in this panel. These modules are areas of the product, like emails, clients, orders, and team management. Still inside Capabilities, select the Clients module to review that role's access without leaving this screen. On the right, enable or disable the specific capabilities this role needs. Changes apply to everyone with that role. Use Search when your role list grows to find a role quickly. That is Team Capabilities. Pick a role, choose a module, and set the permissions that match how your team works.